Not really good. I should have gone top in the first place. I should have gone top in the first place instead of walking bot. But there's just like no reason for me to be here though, because there's no tower anymore. I guess team fights are kind of hard. Third comp.
Sky looks mighty free of void.
Yeah, the problem is now if Shen ults in, it's just bad. But it's not like Arakan is forced to be taken here. Yeah, scale. Well, they do have Smolder Cho'Gath, so I'd say yeah. They do kind of have endless scaling, and they have good amount of peel for their carries as well. Or carry, I guess, pretty much. Yeah, it's just hard to get in. If like Poppy has her W, and Shen can also prevent a lot of damage, so that is a slight problem. That is a slight problem. The other side we open mid lane. I don't know, maybe I should TP it, but I feel like Wake could also just TP it instead of starting fucking Arakan randomly on me. But I don't know. I think it's also just hard to contest Arakan with Cho'Gath a lot because Cho'Gath can just come and eat it, so. I mean, all Nocturne needs late game is just that one catch, though. He just needs that one catch and he's chilling, but. He still needs to get the catch. The Smolder. There's Smolder. Knocker against long range stuff like Ezreal waste, so this the short side is so fucked up. It is very annoying. No, Nocturne gets caught. Nocturne gets caught. I think he's dead. Oh, he's not. Okay, that's good. That's good.